Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. However, on appreciation of evidence led in the case, the division bench of the High Court held that we also do not find any evidence that the wife has been treated with cruelty by the husband. Full stop. We are also of the view that there is no evidence that petitioner is deserted full stop stanza from the evidence on record and the statements made in the written statement it is reasonable to come into conclusion that from the very inception of the marriage ceremony the wife started disapproving the staying husband's parents and brothers at the matrimonial home full stop and she also asked the husband to take a quarter at Barasat full stop. Indian society is different from the western society full stop. In Indian society son usually stay with their parents and established son is also responsible to look after his old parents full stop. The husband being a class 1 government officer was fully established and being a responsible officer he was aware of his responsibilities towards his parents full stop. Therefore, when the wife asked him to shift to a flat at Barasat, meaning thereby to get himself separated from the parents and brothers, it amounts to cruelty towards the husband full stop. It further appears on the evidence on record that the wife was rude in behavior and used abusive language towards the husband and the members of his family, and she remained confined in a bedroom without taking any part in the matter of any household work full stop. It is true that it takes some time for a bride to settle down in her matrimonial home, but there must be an attempt on her part to settle down full stop. The husband also expects that his newly wedded wife will behave properly with the members of his family and pay respect to his parents unless there is any extraordinary circumstances compelling the husband to expect otherwise full stop. In the instant case, there is no evidence of such extraordinary situation and circumstances full stop. Therefore, the attitude of the wife towards the husband's parents and the family members amounts to cruelty towards the husband full stop, especially when they are living jointly under the same roof and in a same mess full stop. In the letters written by the wife which the exhibits 1 1b and 1d, she treated the husband with rude contempt and hatred full stop. The relevant portions from those letters are quoted herein below full stop stanza. If this gives you so much of pleasure, there is no justification in your getting married and ruining another person's life full stop. Here everybody wanted to know, how many dresses did I buy एट कैलकटा क्वेश्चन मार्क ओवर। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन। अगर आपको ऐसी और भी डिक्टेशन चाहिए तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।